Today, we live in a world of infinite possibilities. Some of us want to create the next industrial revolution and radically increase the lifespan of natural resources, while others still think the world is flat, the sun circles around the earth, and the moon is made of cheese. The manufacturing process in the fashion world today is broken, toxic, and terribly inefficient. Fast fashion is accelerating the problem even more. It's established in the marketplace and centered around disposable clothing, encouraging us to buy it, use it, and throw it away after a short time. Only 25% is recycled. Because of the linear approach and outdated resource consuming, the fashion industry is considered one of the most polluting industries in the world. It's time to wake up. It's time to see the world of fashion through a different lens where we can transform waste into golden opportunities, where goods are recycled, refurbished, and reused. Some industry leaders have already started to revolutionize the fashion industry with innovative ideas to create prosperity through sustainability, recognizing the needs to replace the linear business model with a circular one where the same materials are fed into the system again to be reused, generating new result and customer value. One example is the paper dress. By using knowledge and skills from classical Swedish industries, wood can be refined into locally produced textiles. This creates new business opportunities for the domestic industry in Sweden and potential for a more sustainable textile production through a range of innovative solutions across branches. For the Swedish outdoor brand Houdini, sustainability and good business go hand in hand. Through rental, second-hand, and circular garments, they always look for new ways of offering the means to live sustainably, challenging the very core of fast fashion. Trying to put an end to disposable clothes, Houdini's partnered up with Digimode to explore the possibilities of making the manufacturing process even more sustainable. How? Through making locally produced, made-to-measure sportswear. Digimode develops a demonstrator for virtual design and sales with digitally enabled local production of apparel products that will enhance agility in the customer relation. It's a game-changing idea which is enabled by digitalizing the current analog systems in design, marketing, rendering, customization, and fitting. The result is to reduce overproduction, eliminate stockouts, and minimize return rates in e-commerce, as well as create a unique shopping experience for the consumer. Together, we can turn ideas into sustainable impact and say yes to be inspired. Let's constantly improve business models through new research, design, and innovation. Let's develop regenerative loops to create economic value that follow the laws of nature and transform consumers to users. The simple truth, after all, is that moving toward a circular economy isn't an option. It's essential for our new way of living.